Hello, welcome back to another amazing gourmet root beer video, and this time we have unboxing. Yes, I went to the Sprecher web store, and I've already reviewed Sprecher. You know that I've already reviewed Sprecher. Of course you do. But they sell other interesting root beer products, and now I start to post on those, so I got a box. I have duct taped off my address so you can't see it. But let's see what we've got in this box. All things Sprecher root beer related, other than their root beers, their original and their honey root beer, because I've already ordered those. And I've already reviewed them. And you can go read my reviews. I don't plan on reviewing them again. Yeah, I'm not going to. But we're unboxing, so always keep my Leatherman handy. And we've got packing foam. Is this the edible kind? Now, biodegradable. Probably edible. It tastes like cheese puff without the cheese. I don't know if it's toxic. But I use it. What do we got? What do we got? We've got way too much of this. Let's dig. Let's dig. What can we find? What can we find? I got something. Whoa. I've got a mess, first and foremost. What have we got? What do we got? Ooh. Root beer barbecue sauce. Nice. I love root beer barbecue sauce. Actually, I don't know how much I'm going to like their root beer barbecue sauce. I'll write a post. Maybe I'll do a video. Look at that. I'm just making a mess. What else we got? I really wish they didn't put that much packing foam in there. We've got Sprecher root beer mustard. It's barbecue season this summer. For my brats, for my ribs, my burgers. I'll give it a try. I actually swallowed that packing foam. Hope it's not toxic. Do you have anything else in the box? We got one more thing at least. Root beer float popcorn. Very nice. Any finals? Nope. We've got a mess to clean up. So yeah, looking for some fun, some Sprecher products. All right, see you later.